Welcome back, sleep enthusiasts. As we continue our series on enhancing sleep with the rivers of life flow theory, today we're diving into some practical, deep breathing techniques for better sleep. Are you ready to learn to breathe your way to a good night's sleep? All right, let's get started. The first technique is called the 4-7-8 method. Here, we inhale for a count of 4, hold the breath for a count of 7, and exhale for a count of 8. This technique promotes relaxation by balancing the RL flow through controlled breathing. When we hold our breath, it increases the carbon dioxide level in our blood, which has a calming effect. The next technique is box breathing. In this method, we inhale, hold, exhale, and hold again for equal counts. The symmetry of this technique helps bring balance to our RL flow and calms our nervous system. And lastly, we have the hummingbee breath. Here, we inhale deeply, then exhale while making a humming sound. The vibration created by the humming sound stimulates the vagus nerve, which helps to reduce stress and induce sleep. Remember, these techniques are not only about the physical act of breathing, but also about consciously connecting with and influencing your RL flow. By focusing on our breath, we can create a bridge between our physical body and our consciousness, aligning them for better sleep. Try practicing these techniques daily, especially before bed, and observe how your sleep quality improves over time. Remember, the key is consistency and conscious engagement with your RL flow. And that's it for today's video. In our next episode, we're going to look at the ancient practice of yoga and explore how it connects with RL flow. So stay tuned for that fascinating discussion. Until then, practice these breathing techniques, tune into your RL flow, and enjoy peaceful, restorative sleep. See you in the next video.